How to subscribe for Apple products on your iPhone, such as Apple Music, Apple TV, and others. Tap on the settings icon, tap on the profile name, then tap on subscription. Now it comes out like this: Apple One, so you enjoy more with your handles, such as Apple TV, Apple Music, and the rest. Tap on this button, try for free. Now it comes out like this. You have different options here. The first one is individual, that costs you $19.95 per month. The second one is family, that costs you $25.95 per month. And the last one, which is premium, and it's going to cost you $37.95 per month. Don't forget that each of these will cost you for free in the first month. So to subscribe for this now, go ahead and tap on start the free trial now. Provide all your details, then you are good to go. That is the simple process, guys, on how to subscribe for Apple product on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.